And welcome to your construction update for 1625 Ocean. Fabulous boutique offering with only 14 residences on direct oceanfront Delray Beach. At present, we are under construction, as you can see, digging underground with only one residence remaining. That's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, about 3,100 square feet, offered at $6.5 million. 1625 Ocean will be delivering in first quarter of 2023. If you have any questions about this or other new development opportunities in Southeast Florida, please consider me a resource and give me a call, 561-500-7465, or find me on social media. I'm at Rochelle.TV on all the platforms. I'm Rochelle LeCavalier, bringing you the very best of Boca Raton luxury real estate. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching my show. If you like what you saw, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit that like button. It would mean a lot to me personally. If there's something specific you'd like to see, leave a note down in the comments for me. I'd be really interested to know what you think. If you'd like to see more, take a look at some of these other videos. See you next time.